Hi guys, today we have 2-in-1. It's like a Xiaomi Yi camera test and at the same time like a small unboxing. We have new version of Xiaomi Yi Z23L, which is latest model of this camera, and we're making this video recording using Xiaomi Yi previous version 22L. Now you can see I'm making this video by this camera and I see everything that's happening in my mobile phone. We got this camera from AliExpress. Seller Autopower is one of the leading sellers in AliExpress. Really good quality and really good prices. Plus he have all latest gadgets. Okay, let's open camera. Also we got micro SD card from the same seller, battery package, and new type external battery. Okay, let's open small box. Knife also came from China, but I don't know where I bought it. Okay, let's see what we got inside. Looks like a complication, the same what we got with previous one, the 22 version. From outside it doesn't change at all. The same camera, one battery, connections, nothing doesn't change at all. In package the same, one cable, and that's it. This is like a basic version. And everything is Chinese, manual looks like in Chinese as well. Okay. What we're looking at today, we also get high-speed micro SD card from the same seller. It was cost around $10. And then let's see quality, what we have for this money. It's opening like a not original Kingston, because original one you must open all package like by side to get out. There you just get some small plastic, but still there's some kind of hologram. I don't know you see or no. It's switching on. You can take off all protection sleeves. Camera is the same, nothing doesn't change at all. Maybe we'll later make some Wi-Fi tests on something else, but from outside it looks the same. Then also we have battery charger for two batteries. One came together with charger, second you can use for a phone, from Xiaomi Yi. Cable, just a sticking cable. It's really easy to use when you're driving with your car. When you're traveling, you just connect and charge your both batteries and don't must worry about some dischargeable time. Okay, that we don't need anymore, that we don't need. Cable is the same, original Xiaomi Yi. Then we have new kind of additional battery. Factory promise it can increase your battery life up to 3 hours. We will see how it works. It came together with waterproof case back lid. You can just swap. Wait a second. There I got original Xiaomi Yi waterproof case. There you can just disconnect and connect with big one for external battery. So we can compare. It's nearly twice bigger. But then we'll see how it works. Okay, if you're looking for original Xiaomi E battery, it's small, 1100 milliamperes. If you're comparing with new one, it's like promise there was 2400, like twice bigger, but reviews telling it's much bigger. Because we have all slots for USB HDMI there, but if you're putting new battery, now they're covered. That means we don't have access to slots, but this factory produce batteries with already chargeable slot here, and now we can just add this and increase your Xiaomi E filming time. Okay, let's try. Can we fit in the same box what we got before? Because now you see it's twice bigger. It's closed. Looks like a original Xiaomi E lid is a little bit bigger. That means we must cut off corner from one of these two sides to get it close. I'll do this later. But anyway, it looks like a fit by size. I don't know why they put here some kind of extra button, because there's, wait a second. Looks like it will be nightmare in use. There's no point for this button because they don't have any button access. Okay, imagine we will close this lid, switch on. It does, probably battery is empty. Or let's try without case. Oh, there was just lost connection some kind. Try again, it's switch on, card is already inside. Okay, let's try press another button, start. Buttons work. Wi-Fi works as well. Yes. It looks like if you want to increase your battery life and make longer videos or some kind of nice time lapse and don't have access for electricity or power, you can just use this large extra battery. It was cost around $30. Yes, around $30. We'll see how it will work, but it looks nice. Okay, it's like a little bit nightmare, but if you're using this way, it's fine. Okay, let's try. Can we charge the same battery with This looks like it's going. We'll make, maybe we can try charge it. I just tried. It's charging. That means we can put on one side small battery, and second large one I'll just leave for some kind of small one charging in up to 35-40 minutes from full empty. This probably will take twice longer. This means you can charge, because now you have two batteries, you can charge one, take off for second one, at the same time charge the big one if you're going somewhere outdoors. Yes. That's good. Okay, now we can. I already ordered an original one case from China, from cheap one. Then we'll make some cuttings especially for this large battery. I don't want cut this good one, original one case, because it's like a really good quality, and I already done underwater tests. It doesn't leaking at all. So far, original battery underwater case from Auto Power from AliExpress. Really good. Battery, we will see how it works, but it looks nice. Xiaomi G3023. Let's make some video now with this camera, then you see maybe difference. From this moment I'm starting using new 23. Hi, now we are back. Now we're using new one, version 23L. Maybe we will see difference at the moment, but so far so good. What I like, I have the same software what I was used for previous model 22, and now I just connect with 23 and I don't need any software update, nothing at all. Plus it's already saved all my settings what I got before, and I don't must worry about resolution, everything else. I just put all the same settings for new camera. That's really good. Okay, maybe we can see about settings about camera. No, there's a small thing we can't go into settings when you're filming. Yes, nothing doesn't happening because we now using this camera for filming. I can't go in settings. Plus, what I was find out using Xiaomi E, when you're using Xiaomi E for Wi-Fi, like a connection with your phone, you can't use your phone at the same time for connection with another Wi-Fi network like your house or somewhere. Plus, you don't have internet access. It's a little bit annoying sometimes when you make filming or decide check something in Google, you can't because you don't have internet access. That's one of the biggest issues what I never hear before about Xiaomi. I don't know about all another camera, GoPro has the same problem or no. But this small thing sometimes can make you crazy, because if you're making something like a video and you need some kind of facts or something else from internet, you don't have access. That's it. All rest is really fine. I just make yesterday underwater filming with waterproof case. With this one, and find out it's losing Wi-Fi signal after half a meter when it's getting to water. Later we will make Wi-Fi range test on street. We'll see how it will work on a regular basis, but in water you can't like put in, I don't know, in deep waters and see what's going on underneath. You just must make video, and after all you can have a see how it works. For water filming I was using this LED flash, which is really good, and I also tested this one as well. It's proper waterproof. Seller telling me about 30 meters, but I don't know it's true or not, but 1 meter works really fine. Okay guys, at the moment that's it. There you will see difference in filming between 22 and 23, but for all rest it looks the same camera what it was before. Only probably this one don't have any problems with microphone, and here you guys hear as well there is different in sound or no. Okay, I'll put some like moments together like a 23 and 22, maybe you can comparing by sound, because in 22 before have a microphone problem and many people was complaining about sound. Then we see how it sounds in new 23 model. Okay, that's at the moment that's it, and let's make later some tests. Just to subscribe, and then you will see some more tests for flashlight, Wi-Fi range test, nighttime test, and there should be some more, some time-lapse test, how it's worked in different kind of lighting. Okay guys, see you soon, and if you're looking for good camera for good money, there's a link below for seller. Because I was trying contact with many sellers, not all of them have new model in stock. I don't know, everyone selling old 22 version, but this one is like a brand new. We will see how it all works. Okay, see ya.